Hi everyone, today I'm making crispy cubed French toast. These are delicious. I used a soft crust loaf of bread, like a French bread or an Italian bread. And what you do is you cut up 1 inch cubes and about 2 cups full. Now, 2 cups will serve 2 people. So if you want to serve 4 people, you double the recipe, or 6 people, you triple the recipe. Now, they are going to love this French toast. It comes out soft on the inside, but crispy and toasty on the outside. And they're so quick and easy to make. So enjoy, try it out. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And I'd like to hear your comments below after you try out this recipe.